The Discovery of the Unconscious, written by Henri Ellenberger, is a comprehensive and highly influential book that delves into the rich history of dynamic psychiatry. It meticulously examines the development of various psychoanalytic theories, their philosophical underpinnings, and the key figures who contributed to their evolution. The book begins with an examination of Franz Mesmer, who is credited with developing the concept of hypnotism. Mesmer's work laid the foundation for understanding the unconscious mind's potential and the influence it has on human behavior. His revolutionary ideas paved the way for future psychologists and psychiatrists to delve deeper into the uncharted territory of the human psyche. Next, the book introduces Pierre Janet, a pioneering French psychologist known for his extensive work on neuroses and hysteria. Janet's primary contribution was the explanation of these psychological phenomena through deviations in mental energy. He was a critical figure in the development of dynamic psychiatry, laying the groundwork for later theorists to build upon. The author then delves into the psychoanalytic revolution spearheaded by the renowned Sigmund Freud. Freud's groundbreaking theories on infantile sexuality, repression, and the conflict between the individual's innate hedonistic impulses and the constraints of civilized society have had a lasting impact on the field of psychology. His revolutionary ideas shaped the study of the unconscious mind and continue to be influential today. Alfred Adler, a student of Freud, diverged from his mentor by focusing on a more pragmatic approach to psychology. Rather than exploring the depths of the subconscious, Adler was more interested in finding practical solutions to psychological problems. His theories on inferiority complexes, striving for superiority, and individual psychology significantly contributed to the development of psychoanalytic thought. Carl Gustav Jung, another disciple of Freud, eventually parted ways with his mentor and developed his own unique approach to understanding the human psyche. Contrary to Freud's emphasis on the role of sexuality, Jung believed that libidinal energy was more complex, and that religious impulses were as central to the human psyche as sexuality. His extensive work on archetypes, the collective unconscious, and the process of individuation created a new branch of psychoanalytic theory known as analytical psychology. Jung's construction of the ego significantly differed from Freud's tripartite structure of the psyche, which consists of the ID, ego, and superego. In Jung's model, the mind is comprised of exterior elements, such as the shadow and persona, and interior elements, including archetypes, the anima animus, and the self. This novel perspective on the human psyche further expanded the scope of psychoanalytic thought and influenced generations of psychologists and psychiatrists. Throughout the book, Ellenberger masterfully unravels the philosophical and psychological roots of these diverse psychoanalytic schools. One particularly fascinating aspect of his analysis is the influence that the philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche had on all of these thinkers. Ellenberger examines the ways in which Nietzsche's ideas on the will to power, the Übermensch, and the eternal recurrence shaped the development of psychoanalytic theories. Ellenberger also addresses the shortcomings and limitations of psychoanalysis. While he acknowledges the groundbreaking nature of these theories, he also highlights the ways in which they may not be universally applicable or beneficial to all individuals. By examining the different schools of psychoanalytic thought, Ellenberger demonstrates how various individuals, depending on their unique circumstances and personalities, may benefit from specific approaches. In conclusion, The Discovery of the Unconscious is an exceptional work that offers a detailed and insightful exploration of the history of dynamic psychiatry. It delves into the lives and ideas of the field's most influential figures, tracing the development of their theories and their impact